Hi, I'm Dawn Manning, and I'm refinishing furniture in order to pay bills and fix up our house so that we can sell it. Today I'm going to show you how I took this worn out desk and updated it. So I found this antique library desk at a Goodwill. I paid $26.88 for it. It had a lot of issues with the finish, and someone had added hairpin legs to it previously. So first I started by removing the legs, so later on I could sand them down and put a new coat of paint on them. I started off by sanding down the original finish with 100 grit sandpaper by hand. It was a very slow process. I ended up going to Menards and I found something called an oscillating tool that had a finger sanding attachment. So it's a really narrow place that you can put sandpaper. I needed something small to fit down into the narrow sides, and it worked out great. Removing the old finish went much faster on the surfaces where I could reach with my mouse sander and my orbital. I wanted to still be able to see the wood grains, so I watered down some Fusion mineral paint to create a whitewash. I used the color Casement. I believe it ended up being about 1-to-1 ratio of water mixed with the paint. I tried to work in really small sections and dried it off quickly because I didn't want it to dry too white. I was going for more of like a lightening or a staining effect than a painted look. After I'd gone over the full top once, it wasn't a consistent shade of white, so I tried going over again in larger sections very quickly to even out the color, and that got the even coverage that I was looking for. I found some black and white drawer liner that I thought would give the perfect pop-up pattern hidden in the drawer. It wasn't super difficult to attach, but it did require a lot of patience making sure all the bubbles were out. I had to kind of pull it up a few times. I used a box cutter to cut around the edges and then a plastic paint scraper to smooth out the bubbles and help adhere to the bottom. Finally, I used Minwax water-based polyacrylic to finish the piece. I added 3 coats and lightly sanded in between each coat. For the legs, I used Rust-Oleum's metallic paint and primer in one. It was oil rubbed bronze. I put about 3 coats on and let it dry about 30 minutes between coats. I love how this desk turned out. I like its new lighter color and how you can see the wood grain still, which is exactly the look I was going for. I had this priced at $295 and after a month I marked it down to $250. It has not sold yet, but when it does I'll update in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.